Hey everyone! Today we are diving into something that could revolutionize how AI models learn and adapt. Sakana AI just dropped a fascinating paper called Transformer Squared, and it's getting a lot of attention for good reason. Not only is it innovative, but they have also made it open source, so anyone can try it out. Let's break down what makes this so special. But first, some context. Sakana AI is that cutting edge AI research company from Japan. You might remember them for their AI scientist paper that automated scientific research. They are doing some incredible work, and this latest paper might be their most impactful yet. So, what exactly is Transformer Squared? At its core, it's tackling one of the biggest limitations of current AI models, their static nature. See, traditionally, once you train a language model, it's pretty much frozen. Sure, you can feed it new information through things like RAG, but the model itself doesn't really learn or adapt. Transformer Squared changes this by introducing something revolutionary, the ability to update the model's weights at inference time, meaning while it's actually being used. It does this through a clever two-pass system. Let me explain how these passes work. First pass, the model analyzes your query to understand what kind of task it's dealing with. Is it math problem, a coding challenge, creative writing? This classification step is crucial because it determines how the model will adapt. Second pass, this is where the magic happens. Based on that initial analysis, the model actually updates its weights, but not all of them. Instead, it makes precise surgical adjustments to specific parts of its weight, matrices that are most relevant to the task at hand. Now you might be thinking, isn't this just another form of fine tuning? Well, not exactly. Traditional fine tuning is computationally intensive and happens before you use the model. What Transformer Squared is doing is more like having a specialist consultant who jumps in exactly when you need it. They're using something called Singular Value Fine Tuning (SVF) to make this possible. Let me break down why this is so clever. Negligible parameters. Instead of adding new parameters like LoRa does, it identifies and tweaks only most important existing ones. Think of it like adjusting a few key knobs on a massive control panel rather than building a whole new panel. High compositionality. The adjustments they make are like Lego blocks. They can be mixed and matched for different tasks. This makes the system incredibly flexible. Principled regularization. They have built-in guardrails to ensure these adjustments stay meaningful and don't go off the rails. Let's talk results because they're pretty impressive. They tested this system across multiple models, Llama 3.8b, Mistral 7b, and others. Across the board, they saw improvements over traditional methods. And here's the kicker, they did it with less than 10% of the parameters. That method likes LoRa use. Now you might be wondering about the computational overhead of doing two passes instead of one. Surprisingly, it's minimal. The first pass is really quick because it's just classification, and the second pass is comparable to a normal inference pass. The only exception is with very short tasks where the overhead might be more noticeable. Let's look at their task identification accuracy, which they call confusion matrices. This is crucial because the whole system depends on correctly identifying what kind of task it's dealing with. The results are impressive. We are seeing accuracy rates of 95 to 98% across different types of tasks. But what really excites me about this research is its implications for the future. We are moving from static models that are frozen in time to systems that can adapt and evolve. Imagine AI systems that can continuously improve themselves without needing constant retraining or massive parameter updates. The best part? You can try this right now. They've open sourced the code and it works with popular open source models. I'll put the link to their repository in the description below. Before we wrap up, let's put this in perspective. We are seeing a clear trend in AI research towards making models more dynamic and adaptable. Between this and other recent papers like Google's Titans, it's clear that the next generation of AI models will be far more flexible and efficient than what we have today. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll be covering more groundbreaking AI papers as they come out. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on Transformers Squared and how you think it might change the AI landscape. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.